Thousands of people across Rhode Island still maneuvering around mounds of snow from our most recent snowstorms, but too much exposure to freezing temperatures could prove hazardous for your health. So once you get past the shimmer and shine of a fresh coat of snow, it's time to dig in and sometimes dig yourself out of piles of winter weather. But if you're not careful, it's easy to
kind of get stuck on one process or thought and not recognizing you are metaphorically digging yourself into a hole into a more dangerous situation.
Those situations can range in severity from a slip and fall.
Icy, slippery conditions make it very easy to go down quickly and hard. We see many unfortunate hip fractures, wrist injuries, head injuries from slipping on icy conditions.
To a fatality.
There's certainly always the risk.
According to the latest national data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1,024 deaths were attributed to excessive cold or hypothermia in 2023, and studies show the numbers are on the rise. Here locally, the Rhode Island Department of Health confirms more than 40 hypothermia-related fatalities between 2011 and 2022.
So hypothermia, there is a range of degrees of it, and the interventions that one has to do is proportional to how severe it is. I mean, you can come in from the cold having been shivering cold and wet, and you are mildly hypothermic, but dry clothes and a warm beverage may be all you need. All the way up to found in a snowbank after several hours and you need emergency resuscitation.
We reported on at least one confirmed cold-related fatality in Providence so far this year. Others are suspected across the state, pending the official cause of death. And while everyone should take precautions when dealing with the cold, seniors could be particularly susceptible to the effects, especially when shoveling.
We are never as young as we used to be. And so that exertion levels that we used to be able to do without worrying or without difficulty, we may not be able to do those as well as we used to be able to.
According to the American Journal of Emergency Medicine, snow shoveling injuries landed more than 200,000 adults in emergency rooms between 1990 and 2006, resulting in more than 1,600 deaths.
Going out believing I can shovel my entire driveway because I've done it for umpteen years, that may be less true than it was.
Rido offers several tips to stay safe and healthy in the snow and cold weather. Dress warmly, even if you're just making a short trip to the mailbox because you could be outside for longer than you planned. Remove damp or wet clothing that can make you more prone to hypothermia. Do not drink alcohol if you know you're going to be in the cold for a while. It lowers the body's ability to retain heat. Talk to your doctor to make sure it's safe for you to shovel snow, and make sure you check on your elderly friends and neighbors frequently. A little community support can go a long way in surviving the cold. In Cranston, Cara Bailey reporting.